Hi Atanu and the designer. I am looking at the Bernard hotels. Firstly, these images won't do. I'm not sure if you have looked at the documents, but if you see, I need images which have trees, mountains, which are shiny objects and black and white. So these images have not been changed in the previous thing. So change the images, like this is not green, this is not tree, this doesn't have any shiny object. Also, you see this white outline. I don't need a white outline, I need a green outline around the images so that it fits in well. And look at these kind of images. You see that is so uneven. This part is white, this part is not complete. I mean, this is looking so bad. Make sure all the images form a rectangle and the border is green and they are of the same size. This is uneven than this. I mean, this is not acceptable. This is not at all acceptable. Why is there a big difference here and a small difference here? It should be just like the home page image. Got it? Secondly, you see the text offering a full range of services the hotel industry. I want you to look at the contents. I don't think you have looked at it. I want under about us and services the same text. When I go to about us, I want to see this. We bring dreams and vision to life in the image. Got it? And the same case for services. I want to see the words our motto relentless experience in the image, just like you have for the home page. And the most important thing, I'm not sure if you have even looked at the document. See, there are content changes. The first is the home page changes for the contents. So if you go to Bernard Hotels, this has to go. This is unacceptable. I have given you that this is what has to be done, and instead of this green, this should be the color green. And also we need to have this kind on top of the green box, US address, Sri Lanka and Malaysia address, like this. Got it? Nobody has seen. Then in case of hotel portfolio, you have not put what I wanted. Got it? Yeah, United States and worldwide. I also want you to put the other two. Got it? The recently completed and planned hotels. And when they click on here, I want to see images on the right hand side. I want you to use your imagination and put some images over here on the right hand side about us. I mean, this is looking plain, and also change this image. This doesn't look good at all. So there has to be many changes to be done in the Bernard Hotels, and the first thing is to look at the document end to end. Okay, so there are 7 pages. Make sure you look at all the 7 pages before you do the flash thing and the logo thing. And also, contact us is incomplete. This contact us is completely different from what we want. There has to be a form along with this information, so that has to be added. Now coming back to come visit, I am sending you a document which has the 7 changes. The main thing is the changes in the gallery, because this gallery information is not accurate, right? So we have to put this, and make sure you test this and send us one, because I was trying to give the username and the set name, it is still not working. Make sure you change this. And also when I go to doctor, I see this service. I'm not able to understand anything. What is the meaning of all this? I have to expand and see. And also when I expand, it doesn't look good. So what I want you to do is find information of arthritis, diabetes and heart disease and put the description here. And no need to put any price. Keep the price as blank. Alright, and there has to be a code change where the price should not be entered in case of doctors, or it should not be mandatory. And the same way, whatever you keep the description there, it has to be put in here. So make sure you do these changes. And also I somehow don't like the green and the thing even in menu. So think of some other color scheme if you can, but make sure this description and this thing is appropriate. Okay, and make these changes. And also look at the composite document which I am sending to be done in the picker design, recent sign up, and the footer I mean, there's a difference between a user created page and a non-user created. These are non-user created page, so I don't want to see this create a visit and all that. And please underline this about us, contact us. This has to be underlined, all right, and increase the font size by 1 as per my email. But when I go to publish site, these are user created sites. Here I want to see the information create a website, which is fine. By the way, this Sporos link is not correct. It should be SPOROS. So I have sent you an email. So please look at it and make the changes whenever you get a chance. Thanks a lot. And I am really not happy with the Bernard progress. So make sure the Bernard progress is done as a priority and send me an email as soon as it is done. Thanks.